Cockroach is an insect and it belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. So its kingdom is Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Dictyoptera, family is Blattidae, and genus and species we have Periplaneta americana, Blatta orientalis, and Blatella germanica. Here this is the occiput, which is the first cephalic sclerite. Okay, the occiput, they are joined together with epicranial suture. So this joining area in between is the epicranial suture. In this region, the occiput is also called as vertex. Okay, so this is the first cephalic sclerite. Now posteriorly, this is the region of the occiput. It's the same region actually, so let me show it here itself. Occiput. The next region, cephalic sclerite, is frons. So this is the frons. This is frons. Is second cephalic sclerite. After that we have clypeus, is the third cephalic sclerite. Okay, these are on the anterior side. Now here on the lateral side you are seeing the gina. So the gina is on the lateral side. These and also on the posterior side. This is the gina. Okay, gena. So it is coming from the lateral side and partways going towards the posterior side. So this is the fourth cephalic sclerite. Beneath the gena and more towards the occipital foramen is the post gena. So this one is post gena because this is more towards the posterior rather than the lateral. This is post gena. The fifth cephalic sclerite, and finally the occiput. It extends beneath, on the posterior side, encircling the occipital foramen, and this is post occiput. Which is the sixth cephalic sclerite. So between the anterior and the posterior side you have 6 cephalic sclerites. The occiput, frons, clypeus on the anterior side, gena on the lateral and posterior side, post gena, and then extension of the occiput, which is the post occiput. Okay, these are the 6 cephalic sclerites. Now the other parts we are not labeling it here because this explanation deals only with the cephalic sclerites. Okay, next we move to the mouth region. We have already seen that the cockroach's mouth is hypognathous. Okay, so all of these, they are covered by sclerites, the thoracic and the abdominal segments that we have seen. Now what do these sclerites, how they appear on their body? So if this is one segment, so if this is so what is this surface? This one here. This is the dorsal surface, right? And on the sides is the lateral surface, beneath the surface that we cannot see in this diagram. So here the beneath surface would have been the ventral surface. So this surface beneath would have been the ventral surface, right? Okay, lateral is this side, right? So the dorsal surface is covered by the sclerite called as terga or tergite. ventral surface is covered by sclerite called as sternite. And the two lateral surface, the left and the right, the lateral surfaces covered by sclerite called as lurites. So dorsal covered by tergite, ventral by sternites, and the two lateral by lurites. Now these sclerites are joined to each other. Sclerites joined to each other and to the